Hi, in front of me is TCL 10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can block ads using Opera Mini. Firstly, open Play Store. Now type Opera Mini and download it. After that, open it. Click Continue and pick one of the options. Ad block is now on. You can check it out by going into any website, for example this one. As you can see, you blocked your first ads. If you wanna disable ad block, tap at the bottom right corner and choose ad blocking. Ad block is now disabled. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!